Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling Maya's heads-up display so you can see counts in real time. Open your scene and select the object you want tracked. This makes sure the numbers are relevant. Next, use the top menu, Window, then Heads-up Display, then toggle Polycount on. Once done, the UI will show triangles, vertices, and display object/scene totals in the viewport. Make sure to keep the channel box visible so you can cross-check selection changes quickly. Now interpret what Maya displays so you can act on it. You'll see separate values for vertices, edges, triangles, and faces. Triangles often matter most for engines, so watch that number when optimizing. Switch between selection and object or scene totals to focus. Selection shows only the active mesh. Once you understand the metrics, make adjustments like switching to Smooth Mesh Preview to compare. Make sure to customize units in the heads-up display options. Finally, use the Polycount feedback to optimize and clean your model. If counts are too high, try Mesh Reduce or use Cleanup to remove non-manifold geometry and duplicated vertices. These steps lower triangles and fix artifacts. Once done, delete history and freeze transforms before final export so numbers reflect the final mesh. If the heads-up display disappears or shows 0, make sure the object is selectable, reset the UI layout, or toggle heads-up display off and on again to refresh the overlay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.